Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for April 12, 2024, featuring an evening Taurus moon. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 6:14 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 7:29 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, Saturn and Mars are in the east-southeast before sunrise. Saturn is emerging from bright sunlight, rising 2 minutes earlier each morning compared to sunrise. In contrast, Mars rises 1 minute earlier every 2 to 3 days. At 45 minutes before daybreak, they are nearly side by side, almost 6 degrees above the horizon. Saturn is marginally visible without a binocular, while Mars blends in with the red hues of morning twilight. Use a binocular to see them 1.1 degrees apart, with Mars to the left. Each morning the gap between them continues to open as Mars marches eastward faster than the ringed wonder. Venus is moving toward a conjunction and a wide swing into the western evening sky. This morning, it rises 23 minutes before the sun. The brilliant planet is lost in the sun's glare. After yesterday's inferior conjunction, Mercury is already rising 11 minutes before the sun. The speedy planet is heading toward an unfavorable appearance in the eastern morning sky. In the evening sky, after sundown, bright Jupiter and the crescent moon shine from the western sky. Jupiter is less than 15 degrees above the horizon, while the lunar crescent is nearly halfway up in the sky. The crescent moon, 23% illuminated, is near Taurus northern horn, Elnath. It is 2.7 degrees below the star. The lunar orb is 8.2 degrees to the lower right of the southern horn, Zeta Tauri. Taurus looks like its namesake. The head is made by rosy Aldebaran and the Hyades star cluster. Together they make a letter V, outlining the bull's head. This shape nearly fills a binocular field. The horns extend upward from this pattern. Resembling a tiny dipper, the Pleiades star cluster, also known as the Seven Sisters, rides on the bull's back. This is a wondrous sight through a binocular. The stellar bundle is over 12 degrees above Jupiter. Use the binocular to look for Jupiter's 4 largest moons. They resemble stars that appear to hug the planet. Dimmer planet Uranus is above Jupiter in the binocular field. Use the chart in the online article to find the more distant planet in front of the stars. Uranus is brighter than 53 Arietis and 54 Arietis, but dimmer than Delta Arietis. Trekking eastward, Jupiter appears to overtake Uranus on the 20th, but this occurs low in the west-northwest with a bright moon eastward. Jupiter sets 4 minutes earlier each evening compared to sunset. On conjunction evening, the planetary pair is less than 7 degrees above the west-northwest horizon. This evening Jupiter sets 135 minutes after sundown. The moon sets nearly 80 minutes after Jupiter, ending today's planet activity. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.